Hey guys, so today I'm showing you my rocket rack that I just got finished building. I'm just going to go over how I built it and stuff. This can hold up to 20 rockets. I used eye screws, there's 8 on either side and then 2 on both sides. I used them on the bottom and sides. I used 6 2-foot pieces of wood. But really, I mean, on the side here, this is 2 foot. It doesn't need to be 2 foot. This is just to support it from falling over. So those can be just like a foot, and then also this would be for like long, like it'll depending on how big your rockets are will depend on how tall the sides are. I got all the supplies from Lowe's. It costed just over $10 for the wood and eye screws, and then not counting the wood screws. But I used this wood and then these eye screws and these wood screws. I mean, you know, screws are simple. You don't have to use these. I just use these. All supplies at Lowe's. So yeah, I can hold up to 20 rockets, and yeah, so that's my new rocket rack build. I hope you guys like it. I got some more videos coming out of I'm gonna make a mortar rack, and I got an order coming in from Cannon Fuse. I'm gonna start my 4th of July stash videos. So thank you guys for watching this. Stay tuned for more. And I'll see you guys later. Thanks. Bye.